In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage permissions in Zoho CRM for users. To get started, sign into your Zoho CRM account and look for the Setup option. You will usually find this as a gear icon. Click Setup, then go to the Security Controls area and select Profiles. Profiles are where you define what a user can see and do across the CRM, so this is the best place to manage permissions in a consistent way. Once you are in Profiles, you can either create a new profile or adjust an existing one. If you want to build permissions from scratch, click the option to add a new profile. If you are updating access for a role that already exists, select the profile you want to edit. When naming a new profile, use a clear name that matches the user group or job function so it is easy to recognize later. Now move into the Module Permissions section. Here you will see toggles for common actions like viewing records, creating records, editing records, and deleting records. Turn these options on or off depending on what that group of users should be allowed to do. A helpful tip is to be conservative with delete permissions, since deleting records can cause data loss and reporting issues. Next, scroll down to Field-Level Permissions. This area lets you hide specific fields or restrict access to sensitive fields within a module. This is useful when users should work in the same module but not see certain details. Take your time here and confirm you are adjusting the correct fields, since field visibility can affect daily workflows. When you are satisfied with the settings, save the profile. Saving locks in the permission changes for that profile, but users will not be affected until the profile is assigned to them. To assign the profile, go back to Setup and find Users and Control, then click Users. You will see the list of users in your CRM. Click the username of the person you want to update, then choose Edit. In the Profile dropdown, select the new profile you just created or updated. Double-check that the correct profile is selected, then click Save to apply the change. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.